Imagine a battlefield where humans no longer pull the trigger. Instead, AI-powered drones and autonomous robots make life and death decisions in real time. The diaresis. What was once science fiction is now becoming reality. AI-powered weapons are here, and they're changing warfare forever. Are we prepared for this new age of war? Can I be trusted with human lives? Are we heading toward a future where machines decide who lives and who dies? Stay with me as we uncover how AI is transforming modern warfare, the hidden dangers behind it, and why some experts fear that we're creating a monster we can't control. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the biggest technological shifts in history. Chapter 1: The Era of AI-Powered Warfare. For centuries, war was fought with human strategy and brute force. But now, AI is revolutionizing military power in ways we never imagined. Here's how AI is changing the battlefield forever. Autonomous drones. AI-controlled drones can identify and eliminate targets without human intervention. AI-powered tanks. Robots. Machines that fight on the ground, making split-second combat decisions. Cyber warfare. AI that can hack, disrupt, and manipulate enemy systems in milliseconds. Predictive war algorithms. AI can analyze millions of scenarios and plan attacks with near-perfect precision. The US, China, and Russia are in a high-stakes arms race, spending billions to develop these AI-driven weapons. But the real question is, are these weapons too powerful to control? Chapter 2: The Hidden Dangers of AI Weapons. AI weapons don't have emotions, they don't hesitate, and they don't feel remorse. But that's exactly what makes them so dangerous. As diaresis sedilla, AI could malfunction. What if an AI-controlled missile misidentifies a civilian area as a military target? As diaresis sedilla, no human control. If AI is given full autonomy, who is responsible for its actions? As diaresis sedilla arms race. Countries are rushing to develop AI weapons, risking a new global crisis. As diaresis sedilla terrorist use of AI. What if AI-powered weapons fall into the wrong hands? Some experts fear a future where AI decides who lives and who dies, without any human intervention. Even Elon Musk has warned that AI-driven weapons pose a greater threat than nuclear bombs. Diaresis. Chapter 3: AI Weapons in Reality. Are we already there? Many people think AI weapons are still in the testing phase. But the truth is, they're already being used. The US military has tested AI-powered fighter jets that cannot maneuver human pilots. Russia has developed AI-powered missiles that can change targets mid-flight. China is using AI surveillance drones to monitor and suppress opposition. We're already seeing glimpses of a future where AI doesn't just assist humans, it replaces them on the battlefield. So, how long until AI decides we're the enemy? Chapter 4: Can AI warfare be stopped? Governments around the world are debating whether AI weapons should be banned. But the truth is, it might already be too late. The United Nations has called for a global ban on autonomous killer robots, but superpowers aren't listening. Tech experts warn that AI weapons could spark a new global arms race that we can't stop. Some military strategists say we must embrace AI weapons before our enemies do. Diaresis. So what happens now? Are we heading toward a future where wars are fought entirely by machines? Or will humans lose control over the very technology they created? Let me know what you think in the comments. The future of AI warfare. One thing is clear, AI-powered weapons are here, and they're changing the rules of war. The real question is, will AI make war safer, broken bar, or deadlier? Will it be a tool for peace or the beginning of a nightmare we can't escape? And before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on the future of AI, technology, and the world around us.